Well, good morning everyone. This is George Bayruthi giving you the overnight report for Friday the 17th of October. We're a stockbroking firm located on the Gold Coast in Queensland, Australia, and I intend to give you a bit more information about FS Securities later in this presentation. Now to the disclaimer. Everything I say here is for general advice and general information only. And before you take any action, please consult with your professional advisor or talk to us directly. A copy of this disclaimer is available to you should you wish to receive it. All you have to do is call the office. Today we finish off our series on price trends and patterns in technical analysis, where the focus has been for the last 12 editorials about how computers have used algorithm to replace the human mind and to be able to go through a lot of compilation very fast. Now we talk about the data from overnight. We start with Wall Street, where US stocks moved in and out of positive territory in late afternoon after starting the day with major losses. The Dow Jones Industrial Average finished down 24 points or 0.15%, and the broader S&P 500 index was unchanged at 1,862. In Europe, the Stoxx 50 index that comprises several European major markets fell 0.6%. In London, the FTSE 100 was down 0.25%. In Japan, the Nikkei was down 2.2%, and in China, the Shanghai index was down 0.8%. On the commodities, gold a short time ago was trading at $1,239 per ounce, down $2 from this time yesterday. Silver at $17.40, down 10 cents. Oil at $83.10 a barrel, that's up $1.50. And copper, the world's economic barometer, was down 0.8% at 298 cents per pound. Iron ore, which is important for our miners such as BHP, Rio, Atlas Iron and Fortescue, fell 1% to $80.50 per ton. On the currencies, our dollar will trade at 87.5 US cents and 68.4 euro cents, and of course these are intrabank rates. So if you walk into the bank today, obviously you're going to get a bit less than that. On our market yesterday, after dipping by as much as 1.6% in early trade, the benchmark ASX 200 index added 0.2% at the finish and closed at 5,255. CBA rose 6.6%, Westpac lifted 0.8%, ANZ lifted 0.7%, and NAB jumped 1%. However, beside the banks, there were some very good performance amongst the leaders, such as Woodside Petroleum was up 1.7%, followed by Santos up 1.4%. The worst performers, QBE down 2%, followed by Rio 1.8%. Local shares are set to edge higher at the open, though given the rapid shift from gains to losses on Wall Street, we are pretty sure that investors may remain very cautious and on the defensive. Every morning we like to give you various announcements, and on today the most important announcement coming from the United States. Tonight we have the US housing starts, building permits, and Federal Chair Janet Yellen will speak. So obviously the world's market will be interested to hear what she has to say. Now, during the week, our analysts at FS Securities placed several stocks for picks and trades. And this is only a summary of the position that you see on the screen. A more detailed information is placed on the website under our picks and trades menus. If you wish to discuss any of these stocks, you may wish to call us directly or visit our website. Every day we update the market volume to show the trend over the last 3 weeks. We also like to show you the ratio of advances to declines. It really shows the strength of the momentum and how the buyers and the sellers interact. I believe this is one of many ways to understand the trend of the market. Again, the chart that you see now is available in our market report that we send to our subscribers every morning, and we also place on the website. So yesterday we've had a very good volume, well, still below the average the last 2 weeks, but still around 1.7 billion stocks exchanged hands, with 44% of all the stocks advanced and 31% of the stocks declines, and of course the rest, which is about 24%, were unchanged. We also like to scan the market and show you which company has performed well. Here we have a company called Filio Australia, went up by 7% yesterday. Domino Pizzas continues to skyrocket. I mean, we've had that company on our charts on the rise for the last 3 weeks. It gained another 5% yesterday and rose to $26.8. So TPG Telecom 2% up, Origin Energy 1.8% up, and the rest, as you can see on the chart. We also like to show you the companies with high volume. Telstra had 52 million shares exchanging hand. That's well above the norm. Went up by 5 cents and finished at $5.43. AMP had a reasonable rise with high volume, 21 million. And Fortescue unfortunately went down 6%, again with high volume, down to $3.42. Okay, we finish off with the sectors. We have here the list of all the sectors, and you can see that the best sector yesterday was the energy, which rose nearly 1.4%, followed by property 0.9%, consumer discretionary 0.7% up, and telecommunication was up by 0.6%, thanks to Telstra. Alright, well, that's all from us here at FS Securities. Let me tell you who I am. I'm the director here at FS Securities. My name is George Beiruthi, and I have many years of trading and investment experience and several qualifications to support what I offer my clients. My ambition today is to help our clients and prospective clients to become effective investors and traders. Well, we're a company here on the Gold Coast in Queensland, beautiful Gold Coast. We are fully licensed. We like to trade shares, options, commodities, CFDs, foreign exchange, and offer our clients a very attractive investment at 7% for 1 year, interest paid monthly, or 9% over 3 years, that's 9% per annum, and interest paid monthly. Also, we are financial planners and cater for all your financial needs. So how to reach us? Our landline is 61 for Australia, 7 for Queensland, 5630-4141, and you can reach me on my mobile, as you can see the number here, for overseas 61-411-259526. You can write to me, george@fssecurities.com.au, or you can surf the website after you join us for a 15-day free trial if you're not already a member. So that's all from us here. We'll be back at 1:15 this afternoon to tell you what happened during the morning, and of course this will be recorded and placed on the website. Now have a nice day and enjoy your trading.